Hello again, everybody. Today is April the 3rd, 2012. Out here in Huntington Beach. As you can see, the pool is complete. Doing the last little bit of grading right there. There's Trish and James picking up the tools. Trish! Say hi! Not too enthusiastic. It's late in the afternoon. But here we are. Here's a bench to the left. It's gonna be 18 inches deep. Down here in the bottom of the pool, I'll take you down there. We did hit water at about 6.5 feet deep. As you can see, filled up about a foot. Over there, we dug for a sump drain, but it caved in. Somebody's gonna have to clean it out by hand. And that'll be it. That's it on our end. Got your shallow end over here, your spa. Raised 18 right there. And that's it for us. Everything came out pretty okay. It's only okay for me. It all came out unlevel, but nothing I can do about it. And that's it for us, guys. Thank you.